This is the Oura Ring Gen 4, and Oura says it can basically become your personal health coach without you having to wear a bulky smartwatch. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing. After actually living with this ring for a while, I realized there's one big truth they don't really show in the ads. So today, we're breaking it all down. What it's really like to use, who it's actually for, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Oura Ring Gen 4, the latest smart ring from Oura, a company that's basically built its reputation on turning sleep, recovery, and daily health data into something you can actually understand. Unlike smartwatches that scream tech gadget, the Oura Ring is designed to disappear on your finger while quietly tracking things like sleep stages, heart rate, body temperature trends, and overall readiness. It's aimed squarely at people who care about wellness, performance, and long-term health, but don't want another screen buzzing on their wrist all day. Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does this thing actually feel to use day to day? That's what really matters. I wore the Oura Ring Gen 4 literally everywhere, sleeping, working, running errands, even during workouts. And honestly, after about an hour, I forgot it was there. That's kind of the magic. Where this ring really shines is consistency. Every morning, you wake up, open the app, and boom! There's a simple breakdown of how you slept, how recovered your body is, and how hard you should push yourself today. Not in some scary medical way, but in a, hey, maybe take it easy today kind of way. And it's surprisingly accurate. Sleep tracking lines up really well with how I actually felt. Nights where I tossed and turned, the app called me out. Days when I felt great, my readiness score backed it up. It's not perfect, no wearable is, but in real-world use, it feels reliable, not gimmicky. Features and tech. First up, advanced sleep tracking. Yeah, a lot of devices track sleep, but Oura goes deeper. It breaks down REM, deep sleep, restfulness, and even your breathing patterns. Why does that matter? Because instead of just saying you slept 7 hours, it helps you understand why you feel tired and what habits are actually hurting your rest. Second, body temperature trends. This is low-key one of the coolest features. The ring tracks subtle changes in your body temperature over time, which can help flag things like illness, recovery status, or even stress. In real life, that means you might catch a cold coming before it hits you full force. Third, readiness scoring. This takes your sleep, heart rate, and recovery data and turns it into one simple number. Translation, you don't have to be a data nerd. You just check your score and know whether today is a gym-crushing day or a chill and recover kind of day. Design and build. Now, aesthetically, Oura absolutely nailed it. The Gen 4 looks more like a premium piece of jewelry than a piece of tech. It's made from durable, lightweight materials, and it feels solid without being bulky. On the finger, it's smooth, balanced, and doesn't dig in, even when you're sleeping or typing all day. And that matters because if a wearable isn't comfortable, you're not going to wear it, period. This ring feels subtle, classy, and honestly kind of futuristic in a low-key way. The only thing, it can pick up scratches over time. Not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of if you're rough on your accessories. Battery life. Now let's talk battery, because this is where smart rings really flex on smart watches. The Oura Ring Gen 4 easily lasts several days on a single charge, depending on how much you use features like workout tracking. That means no daily charging anxiety, no, oh no, I forgot my charger moments. You just throw it on the charger every few days and you're good. In real life, that makes a huge difference. A wearable that's dead can't track anything. This one stays out of your way and just quietly does its job. Pros: excellent sleep and recovery insights. Clean, easy-to-understand app. Long battery life compared to most wearables. Cons: the subscription model isn't for everyone. Can scratch over time. Final verdict. So who is the Oura Ring Gen 4 really for? And is it worth your money? Here's the honest take. If you're someone who genuinely cares about your sleep, recovery, and long-term health trends, this thing is an absolute no-brainer. It's perfect for busy professionals, fitness-minded people, and anyone who wants powerful insights without the distraction of a screen on their wrist. But if you're more of a hardcore fitness tracker fan who wants GPS maps, notifications, and workout stats right on your wrist, you might be better off with a smartwatch. The Oura Ring isn't trying to replace your phone or your watch. It's trying to quietly make you healthier in the background.
And honestly, it does that job really well. So that's my take on the Oura Ring Gen 4. But now I want to hear from you. Would you rock a smart ring over a smartwatch? Let me know in the comments. And if this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.